So hi friend, this is part 3 of this series. So if you have not seen the previous part, you can go through the link in the description, or you can click on the I button and then see. So as of now, like means we have created the header part of this one. So this is what we have generated till now, but today I will look into how we can make this billing information, product and terms and condition. So first, if you compare, then there is some space after this invoice, and after so first thing I will do that one. So first thing that I'm going to create one paragraph, one sp equal to new paragraph. So this is a new line. So what it is going to provide us, like whenever we require one new line or one space bit after that one, so we can do that one. So I will add this one sp, so it will add one space after the table creation of this one. So if I rerun this project and then see how it's looking. So now you can see some space. So that's it, that's what we want. Now also I will create some function that we can reuse, because here you can see we are writing it again and again. So I will create some function that we reuse. So here you can see I have written almost similar thing from here, like set bold, set border, no border, and the text that will be provided, that will be provided will be dynamically. Set bold, set border. Now here also I have add some alignment, like it will be right aligned, so that I want to provide to this property. This property I want to provide the right alignment, and this one. So I will create a two separate method function. So this is for the text cell and this is for the text value, and now I will replace it with the call. And this is text value. So now we can reuse this function again and again if some same thing happens. So here you can see I have kept the left alignment. If you can see this one, so this text is coming at the left side and this text is coming at the right side. If you want to move it the left, so you can choose according to what you required for, but as of now it is I have moved it to the right and the second column to the left. After that I will create some more function, so that we can use it in the different stage of the. So I will create this one, and copy pasting itself means already generated, so that it will reduce the time that is means taken from the typing. So here you can see have get billing and shipping sales. So this thing you can see this one and this one. So for that I am providing the font as 12F, and it is bold and there is no border, and I have kept the alignment as a left. Now I have some, so this is get cell 10 left. So here you can see, and here I'm passing whether it's a bold or not. So font size is 10F, and after that you can see alignment is left, all will be aligned left. and here you can see is bold. So whether if it is a bold, so right now I have created cell. Inside that cell I have passed this functionality, and after that I will add, if it's bold then I will add the bold, and if it's not then I will return whatever the cell I have generated previously. So this is I'm creating for this purpose, like means for name, and after the name of value, address and address value, email and email. So for all this this will be the function that is responsible for creating the cell. Now I will simply create all those things that is required. So I will add one more space in the below part also, and then like means now there is one more space in the below part also. So after that I will going to create this thing like billing information, shipping information. So this is 2 column width. So this is billing information, shipping information. I'm also setting the margin as 12F. So we can use margin as like 1 SP, like means putting a paragraph, and that will provide us a new line, or we can make margin like I'm setting set margin 12 bottom, so it will have some margin in the below part also. Like means here you can see whatever the 12F I have provided, so it is because of that one only. So if I save it and just have a look what it's now being produced, so let's see. So yeah, so now create the, let's create the bottom part of this one, like means name and company, company name and all part. So for that so this is table 2 that I have created, so that it consists of company name. So this will consist of 2 column. So same thing that I'm providing, so 2 column will be there. The first column it will be name, second name company, then it is name, and the value will be coding error and coding. So here you can see coding is coming here and the name is coming here, and the third is coding error, and fourth is coding. So one by one it will come. And after that, if you can see, we have this address and name and address, so that will also have the same thing whatever we are doing for the company name. So for that also I will, so here you can see I'm using this get cell. In all the method I'm using this get cell 10 left, so that is also I'm providing true false, like when I want to have a bold one. So when I want to have a bold, then I'm providing true, and if it's not bold, then I'm providing false. The same thing that I have implemented it here. Boolean is bold. So if I look how it's looking, so this is what it's generated now. And now if you can see, we don't have a 2 column, we only have a 1 column. So for that what I will do, I will generate only 1 column. So for that I will make 1 column variable that float, and here I'm providing this call one to call 150. So here you can see this to call 150, that is summation of this one 285 plus 190, that is 435. Here I'm making 1 column, so address, and then I'm providing the address And then if you want to put some space or a new line, you can pass it as like slash n, that then it is going to have a new line. Here I'm providing false so that it will not be bold. For the address I'm keeping as bold, and after that I'm setting a margin of 10f. So after that this is done. So here you can see a dotted line that I have made, so that I have made with the border. So let's create that particular border. So first thing I will do, I will create a full width table, and then I will create a border of 0.5 length. So here you can see I have created dashed border. So if you tap dashed border, so it is a border, means the color will be gray and it is will be of type dash, and the width will be 0.5. So same thing I want to add to, means I will add this border into this table and you will get that particular thing. So after this is done, now we need to proceed with this products part. So for that, first I will make a paragraph product. Let's see how it's looking, and then I will proceed with the all the products list. So this is what it's been generated till now. So in next part we will see how we can design the product list part. So thank you for watching.